tired of cramped seats and long lines in economy? What if you could swap your coach ticket for a plush seat in business or even first class? Without spending a fortune, whether you're a frequent traveler or just flying once in a while, these 12 secret hacks for a flight upgrade will give you the insider edge. From smart booking tricks and credit card perks, to the right way to ask at the gate, discover how to travel like a VIP without breaking the bank. Never fly economy again. Unless you choose to. Today we will talk about 12 secret hacks for a flight upgrade. Never fly economy again. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Book the right flight on the right day. Not all flights are created equal. When it comes to upgrade potential, flying midweek, particularly on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, usually means fewer passengers and greater upgrade availability. Red-eye and early morning flights also tend to have lower load factors, increasing your chances of being moved to a better seat. 2. Join the airline's frequent flyer program, even if you rarely fly. Joining an airline's loyalty program is completely free and unlocks perks most travelers overlook. You don't need to be a platinum-level elite to benefit. Basic members are often prioritized for upgrades over non-members. 3. Use miles for upgrades, not just free flights. A little-known strategy is using frequent flyer miles to upgrade an economy ticket, rather than booking an award seat. In many cases, especially on long-haul flights, upgrading from a discounted economy ticket to premium economy or business class can cost significantly fewer miles than booking the premium cabin outright. 4. Take advantage of last-minute upgrade offers. Once your flight is booked, keep an eye out for post-purchase upgrade offers. Many airlines send promotional upgrade invitations via email or offer them during online check-in, sometimes at prices 70% lower than when booking business class upfront. 5. Book through travel agents or premium travel services. Premium travel agencies, especially those affiliated with networks like Virtuoso or American Express Travel, often have access to negotiated rates that include complimentary upgrades. In some cases, you may be booked into flexible economy fares that are more likely to be upgraded. 6. Dress like you belong in business class. As superficial as it sounds, appearance can influence whether you're chosen for an upgrade, especially when gate agents make discretionary decisions. Airline staff are unlikely to move someone in a tracksuit or flip-flops to first class. 7. Politely ask at check-in or the gate. There's no harm in asking. A polite, friendly inquiry at check-in or the gate. Something along the lines of, if there are any complimentary upgrades available, I'd love to be considered, can go a long way. 8. Arrive at the sweet spot time at the airport. Timing is crucial when it comes to check-in. While arriving too late risks losing your seat, checking in at a moderate time, roughly 1.5 to 2 hours before departure, can put you on the radar when agents start juggling seats. If economy is overbooked and business class has space, you may be upgraded to balance the load. 9. Use credit cards that offer travel perks. Travel credit cards do more than earn miles. They often come with elite-like perks. Cards like the American Express Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, or Capital One Venture X offer access to premium check-in lines, travel concierge services, and bonus mile transfer opportunities that can be used for upgrades. 10. Volunteer to take a later flight. If your travel schedule is flexible, volunteering to give up your seat on an overbooked flight can be a golden opportunity. In addition to vouchers or cash compensation, you can ask the agent to book you into a premium cabin on the next available flight. Airlines are often happy to oblige, especially if the next flight has unsold business class seats. 11. Travel solo or book one seat separately. Traveling alone increases your upgrade chances significantly. Airlines are far more likely to upgrade a single seat to business class than try to accommodate a couple or family. Even when flying with others, consider booking your tickets separately. If you're traveling with a spouse, partner, or friend, the instinct is to book your flights together under a single reservation for convenience. But if you're serious about upgrade potential, booking separately may be the smarter play. Here's how it works. Strategy: book one seat separately, even when flying together. Split your reservation. One person books solo, while the rest book under a separate record locator. Choose adjacent or nearby seats during online check-in or seat selection to ensure you still fly together. This approach allows the solo-booked individual to remain eligible for single-seat upgrades, which might not be triggered for grouped passengers. If one person gets upgraded, you may even be able to swap seats on board, especially on international flights where business class has open seats. This strategy is even more powerful if one traveler has elite status, a travel credit card, or is on a higher fare class. Airlines often prioritize those individuals for upgrades. And by booking separately, you ensure they aren't disqualified due to group seating restrictions. Bonus tip: combine with other upgrade tricks. To supercharge this tactic, combine it with other proven methods. Dress well, smart attire, business casual, or better, increases your chances of being offered an upgrade manually. Check in early or very late. Some upgrades are triggered on a first-come basis, while others are based on last-minute cabin balancing. Use frequent flyer numbers and airline credit cards. These create algorithmic signals that boost your rank in the upgrade queue. Politely inquire at the gate. Solo travelers have a better shot when politely asking about upgrade availability than large groups. Guess who gets the upgrade? The solo platinum flyer. Not because of tier alone, but because the system can't break up the couple's reservation or offer just one of them the upgrade. The solo flyer fits the algorithm's criteria and takes the seat while the couple remains in economy. 12th, monitor and use expert tools. Finally, don't underestimate the power of information. Tools like Expert Flyer, Award Wallet, and Seat Spy let you monitor upgrade inventory in real time, giving you an edge over average travelers. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.
Hey, real quick, if you're planning a trip abroad this year, whether it's your first or your 15th, you need to hear this. Because let's be honest, travel in 2025 is a different beast. The rules have changed, the fees are sneakier, and don't even get me started on airport security. But the biggest mistake I see travelers make, they think Google is enough. It's not. So I created something I wish I had on my first international trip. It's an all-in-one digital travel bundle that will save you hours of research, help you avoid expensive mistakes, and get you totally prepped from takeoff to touchdown. But before I tell you what's inside, here's a quick travel tip you might not know. If you're flying to Japan, you cannot bring in common cold meds with pseudoephedrine. Yep, even your go-to allergy pills might be banned. And in Thailand, don't even think about using a vape. It's illegal, and tourists have been fined or worse. That's why knowing the rules country by country can literally save your trip. And guess what? I've already done the hard work for you, because inside this travel bundle, you're getting a 250-page ebook filled with real travel scenarios and how to solve them, like what to do if your luggage goes missing or your passport gets stolen abroad. An audiobook with 16 modules on planning the perfect international trip, from budgeting and packing to visas, entry rules, and airport hacks. Each module has its own quiz to lock in what you learn. 5 video travel guides with up-to-date travel rules for France, Japan, Dubai, the UK, and Thailand, so you don't show up confused at customs. Every guide comes with a 7-day itinerary and a printable checklist, so you know how to plan, what to pack, what to avoid, and how to make the most of your time. And yeah, you also get my international travel checklist, the same one I use to pack for every trip, whether I'm gone for 5 days or 5 weeks. Look, travel is amazing, but it's also full of weird rules, sneaky fees, and surprise moments that catch even seasoned travelers off guard. This bundle helps you skip the stress and just enjoy the adventure. And I'm telling you, once you use it, you won't travel without it. So if you're serious about traveling smarter, hit the Buy Now button and grab this digital bundle. I'll even leave you with one more insider tip that most people miss. When booking international flights, always check your layover country's visa rules. Some places, like Canada or the UK, require transit visas just to connect, even if you never leave the airport. Little things like that? They're in the digital bundle. You've got the dream. I've got the blueprint. You need this if you want to experience stress-free travel for at least once in your lifetime. Let's get you ready to travel like a pro. Buy the digital bundle today at the launch price of only $39.99. This price won't last for long. It is going to increase to $79.99 in a few days. Buy it now. You won't be disappointed. And please subscribe to the True Travel Treasures channel on YouTube for more travel tips and tricks. See you on that side.